I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Fortuna standing fast. To begin, prioritize completing bounties offered by Utico in Fortuna. These missions provide substantial standing upon completion and are repeatable. Next, engage in conservation by tracking and capturing animals in the orb valleys. This method offers excellent standing gains, especially with perfect captures. Finally, remember to turn in your daily debt bonds. For efficient bounty hunting, always choose the highest tier bounties available from Utico. These offer the most standing per completion. Focus on completing all bonus objectives within each bounty, as they provide additional standing and rewards. A well-equipped warframe and weapon setup will help you clear objectives rapidly. Consider grouping with other players to speed up mission completion and maximize your daily standing gains. Conservation is a highly rewarding method for gaining Fortuna standing. First, purchase a tranquilizer rifle and animal lures from the business. Then, venture into the orb valleys to find animal tracks and calls. Use the appropriate lure to attract the animal, then tranquilize it for capture. Aim for perfect captures, as these provide the most standing and valuable resources, significantly boosting your daily progress with event kids. Beyond bounties and conservation, debt bonds are crucial for consistent standing. You can acquire these from bounties, specific enemies, or by trading with other players. Turn them into ticker in Fortuna for a steady standing income. To further accelerate your progress, consider using a standing booster, which doubles all standing earned. Also, remember to complete any daily challenges for extra rewards and a quick standing boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.